Hi, Hobbyking support team, take a look here. This is my charger, which I bought from Hobbyking for this model Eco 6 AC DC. You can see here, this is the thing I have. You can see the display 2.2, so it's 2.2 battery. So now what I'm going to do is that I will going to do a charging to show it to you, and this is the time and date now. Okay. So proceed to charge it. I'll show you the fan. The fan is over here. See for yourself the fan. You won't see the blade is rotating. In the time now, you can see from here. What's the time now? Time is 12:07, 30 October. And start charging now. So I will record again in about 10 minutes time. That will be expecting about 12:18 to show you whether the fan is rotating by then.